Hello guys, welcome back. Previously we discussed about the doctor patient application, how to log in or how to register within the doctor portal and the application, and we little bit discuss about the dashboard or the landing page of the application. So today we are going to discuss the left menu and uh, the appointment tab plus the question tab. So let's get start with the left menu. Here the top button is for the left menu, so you will get the menu right after tabbing over these three lines, okay, at the top. After that you can see here, like we have a home button. So home means the landing page of the application. So after that we have the appointments, questions, medical file, settings, and logout. Okay, at the very top of the menu, you can see that like we have the name of the user, which is like here is the email address of my email address. So if someone tap on this email address, it will redirect him to the user profile. So we are going to discuss today appointment, how to make an appointment, and the question thing. So let's get started with it. uh, so I tap on the appointment button. Here we are on the appointment page. So if you can notice here, in the previous appointment I have a two appointment which already been held, uh, and above of that, like we have a current appointment and then upcoming appointment. So here we have option, so you can definitely let's say uh, change the date, so you can get the appointment list according to that as well, if you have any upcoming appointment. So definitely in October we don't have a upcoming appointment right now, so it's not mentioning anything. So we do not have a current appointment. We only have a previous appointment here. So they are already been held, so they do not have any link or any kind of thing here. So let's get start and let create a new appointment. uh, Before creating appointment, I tap on this all appointment section. At the top, at the very top, you can see here this the button at the very right is for the all appointment. So it will going to show you the all appointment. So I have only two appointment which is coming up here. Anyways, so let's go back and let's create a new appointment. On this plus button, I just tap on the plus button and we will get the list of the department in the in the doctor panel. So we currently have the five major department here. The one is the journal, physician, child, child specialist, and the woman, and uh, uh, what we can women section, and orthopedic, and so on. So here we have a five for now. So let's get start with let me create a appointment with this journal physician. Here I just come. So we have a one doctor here so far. Let me show you the rest of the department. So you can notice here we have like a one doctor, Mr. Dr. Adil is over here. So here we have a little description about his, the doctor fees, the doctor name, face to face appointment fee, and the video call fee. So the both are the different fee structure here. So let's move one step back to check with the other departments. Here we have another department in which we have also a single doctor, Muhammad Al Misri. he is available only for the video call department. Okay, so you can notice that, like, here the one tab is missing, which we found in the if you notice that in the journal, Dr. Adil have three tabs right here. One is the video call, the other one is the face to face thing. So anyways, same for the other doctor. So we have almost one or many doctors. For the trial basis, I'm showing you the with the few doctors, so you can register or create the appointment with your favorite, or when you with your desired doctor. Okay, so let me create the appointment with Mr. Adil, Dr. Adil. I just tab on the doctor, and it is asking me to create appointment, like which type of the appointment I need to create. So I have the one, it's video and the face to face. So for now I'm going to create a video one. After that, I have it asking me to select the date, on which date I need to create, let's say. Okay, so once you click on any of the date, it will give you the list of the appointment time, the list of the available appointment time. So you can select any of that, uh, which is, which will be suitable for you. So in my case, I am selecting 11:30. uh, okay, so it's created. And you can notice that at the top, it send you the SMS with the doctor details, because we just create an appointment. Okay, so as we created the appointment, you can notice that this appointment is coming on my upcoming appointment at the very top. Okay, and it's not available right now, means this, if you can notice that the cross on the camera means this appointment will be activated right the 5 minute before you 5 minute before your appointment. Actually, this button will be automatically available. So for now, if you can tap on this, nothing will happen until unless uh, the appointment time is about to be. Okay, so simple. When just before the 5 minute of the appointment time, this button will automatically be available, and you can just jump into uh, the call by pressing on this button, as I am pressing it. Okay, so that's it for the appointment. Let's move to the question. Okay, so the question is something, you can create a question with any of the doctor you want. If you have any queries, or you want a second opinion with the doctors, so you can create a question for the department, not for the doctor, by the way. Okay, so create your subject as you want, uh, and let's say we are journal. I have curve. Okay, and then I can provide the detail. I have fever. I have curve. Okay, or you can ask any kind of a question right away here, and just, I'm not asking because the application is live. So anyways, you just need to submit the question after uh, asking the question. So it will be directly to the all the doctors of the department, so they can answer you uh, once they will get the question accordingly. And you, after that, like if you ask and if you are satisfied with the answer, you can rate the answer by giving the stars rating to the doctor. So it's a good option for you. You can ask, or you can have a second opinion with the doctor right away within this question panel. So that's it for now. I will come back with the other of the tabs in my next video. Thank you for now.